Just outside of Quincy, we're visiting Reynolds Agribusiness, where owner Brett Reynolds is testing unique farming practices on potatoes.
We try to do things a little bit different. We focus heavily on sustainability, trying to pull the regenerative ag thing into play with our potato production and the future use of the ground.
Brett's daughter, Dana Lutz, has been lending a hand since she was young, and she continues to work alongside him to this very day.
Well, I've been doing it since before I could drive. Working on the farm, pulling weeds, spraying, learn more about the crop. He's a great teacher, and I wouldn't have traded it for anything.
What started as lessons with her dad grew into a career. Today, Dana works as a Columbia Basin agronomist, helping him adopt sustainable and regenerative soil practices.
He's always been real interested in high-efficiency fertilizer. What does the crop want and when does it want it? But what we're also trying to do is look at them with really sustainable eyes and go, okay, for long-term, is what we're doing working?
Brett balances standard farming practices with experiments in new technology, all driven by his focus on sustainability.
This particular field is half fumigated and half non-fumigated.
And what does that fumigation do for a standard practice for the potato?
Standard practice is trying to control soil-borne disease, and we're trying to control nematodes that feed on the roots or potentially the potatoes themselves. And then we've got these new products that we're trying to figure out. In fact, one of the things we're using is a byproduct of the shellfish industry, crab shells.
Oh, how
it's
about
called
that?
chitosands,
Okay.
providing plant health effects.
Okay.
That has influence on plant disease.
We're wanting new nematicide products, new fungicides, and we have an industry that will stay ahead of that and go, hey, we've got one on the market for you.
Right.
Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Brett and Dana led me into the field to see the results of their experimentation firsthand.
So these are Clearwater potatoes.
Okay, and these are used for mostly
Processing.
Okay,
So
like French fries? Yeah.
tater tots.
They're gorgeous. Now, are we on the fumigated side or the non-fumigated
Here
side?
we're on the fumigated side.
Okay, gotcha. All right, they look gorgeous.
Yes. There's not much of a difference between the two. That's the beauty of the
Yeah,
co-op.
that's what he was saying. There's a lot to learn from that.
One of the other things we do different is we plant on a 32-inch row, and most of the basin is on a 34-inch row. Those 2 inches
Big
allow us to
difference.
get more plants per acre, more potatoes per acre, and we keep our size down.
Okay, because you
So
don't
we
want these to get
don't
too
want
big.
the great big guys, so we want this more modest size that the processor can make these nice French fries out of.
Keep up the good work, you two.
Thanks.